Hi, yes, my name is Steven, and I saw your ad on Backpage. Yes, I wanted to know what's good.
Huh?
Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Yes, my name is Steven. I saw your ad on Backpage. I want to know what's good.
Are you for in-call or alcohol?
I'm sorry. Can you repeat that, please?
Huh?
Can you repeat that, please? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Are you looking for in-call or alcohol?
I'm just looking to literally me and my friend Daniel. We just trying to hit this, man. Hit this rotisserie, spin you around, just do this all the way around. What you need? What you need?
You just trying to what?
We trying to spin you around like a rotisserie, man. You're the chicken. My dude's gonna be on one end. I'm gonna be on your end, and just yeah, we got this. Hello?
Confused. I can't understand you. You're breaking up.
How can you not understand me, you stupid bitch? What the
Damn.
That's so savage. This nigga is savage. He's savage.